Hello? Hello?
This is the girl that has no idea that she's going to get beat up today. Okay.
Hello? Oh, down a second!
Oh, no. No, man. No. Put the gun down. We're going to... She has no idea.
What do you think we should do with her?
We should bury her alive.
Nah.
Shoot her?
Nah.
No, what's that gun for?
Yeah, what is that gun?
Shoot her.
Gotcha. Don't mess with the Jamaican man. Thank you very much. And that's the end of our video. Ta-da!
Not really. Now,
I killed him!
for the second part.
Now you don't never mess with the Jamaicans. It's time to get rid of this series.
On the mark.
No,
Don't really do this in real life. Bad.